I'm going to show you how to install a new outlet, and this one here is upside down. The electrician put it in upside down, so I'm just going to switch it over and I'll show you how to put in a new one or swap an old one out for a new one. This here is an insulated screwdriver. It's an electrician screwdriver. You don't need one, just hang on to the handle. As long as you aren't hanging on to the metal, you should be fine. There's not power to these screws, or any of it. There shouldn't be power to any of it, but then here I have a voltage detector. At the hardware store for about 20 bucks. And there's nothing there. So go here and take these screws out. Keep all the screws and everything in a pile where you won't lose them. And then just grab it right here and pull it straight out. Touch the terminals on the side. So test it. Once that shows that you have no power, on this particular outlet, what you have to do is you have to go in there. This is hot, black, white neutral. Don't always associate if it is actually powered by the color of the wire. The ground is always the bare wire, and just keep in mind that all of it could be powered, so treat it as hot or powered, I guess. Whatever you want to call it. So internally, these are connected. This is neutral, the neutral side. It will tell you in the directions of your outlet that you are replacing. And so all you have to do is hook up the one side, because they're internally connected, as you see. One side and then the other side. And you just strip the wire end, shove it in, and tighten it down. Or you could loop it like this ground wire is done around the outside. It depends on how you want to do it. And for this, my mom just wants it upside down, so I'm just gonna turn it. Treat it as hot, so don't grab any of the metal. So what I'm looking at here is all I had to do was flip it upside down, and that got the ground plug at the bottom how she wanted it for her hair dryer, which has that big bulky plug on it, and this will work like that. You want to get the wires back in the box without breaking them, because the solid copper, it will break if you move it too much. So you want to if you guys want any more how-to videos, just let me know, and I might be able to put something together. I don't know everything, but I do know a few things about different household tasks. And so the holes in the top, right up here, or here on the bottom, you can see that. That is for the cover, so don't stick the screws that actually hold the outlet in there, because then you won't have a place, and the holes won't line up either, so you'll figure it out eventually. So tighten that down, and then grab the other screw here. My electrician screwdriver is actually kind of beat up because I found it on my lake shore, which is kind of weird, but it's pretty handy. It's a nice screwdriver. They're very expensive, new, so. And then the last task is just getting it straight so that it looks nice.